Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, and today we're going to look at a brand new style from Jon Renau. This is Macy in Laguna Blonde, which is FS24102S12. Like I said, this is brand new from the Nouveau collection for Jon Renau. I love this bob. Of course, you know, I reviewed lots of bobs. I like them. They fit me well. I think they work on most face shapes. This one has longer layers. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, so if that helps you any, but I like the way this sweeps under. Macy, this is pretty. Let's talk about this color. Now, you know I'm going to show it to you in outdoor lighting. But just a recap of Laguna Blonde. So light natural blonde. And then, you know, it has these golden blonde highlights. I want to make sure you see that. And I do think you will see that better in outdoor lighting. Then it has this golden brown root. But I can see that gold running through here. All this beautiful blonde shading. Now this is a basic cap design. I want you to know there is permatease in this wig. So I'm going to run my hands through here, and you know I always pull the fibers away from the cap. Put your hands in there. Don't be afraid to get your hands in there if you've decided to keep it. Now, if you're going to return it, don't do that. But if you put this on and you think, yeah, I want to keep this, then run your hands all the way to the base of the cap. Pull the fibers out. They'll be more free-flowing then and give you a lot more movement. Now, like I said, I'll show this to you in outdoor lighting, but you know, these cameras that we use to film really don't do these blondes justice, in my opinion. That's why I think it's so very important that we show it to you outdoors. Also, they are a little shiny, in my opinion. I have some Jon Renau Pick Me Up, the dry shampoo and volumizer. I really like this, and I will spray this on mine, just like this. Not only will it take down the shine, but it adds a little volume. And for me, that's a good thing. Like I said, this does have permatease. Fits me well. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This fits me perfectly. Here's the coverage. There and there. And the ear tab fits me directly above my ear. Yeah, this is a nice bob shape. Just very sleek. Even though it has some permatease, but you see, it's not huge, as you can see. You could really sleek this down and wear this in a very sleek style, or get your hands in there and pull it up and get some volume. Just however you prefer. Yeah. I like that. You can wear this easily behind your ear. Now this front is 7.75 on this. So you can see that. 7.75. The crown is 6.25. The sides on this one are 5.5. So it has some nice specs here, and a 1.75 inch nape. Okay, let's talk about styling this a little bit. Of course, you know I'm going to put a headband on with it. And you can sleek this down. Put your headband on. You can pull it behind your ears like that. I have a couple different headbands here. I had the pink one. Let's see what it looks like with the white one. Yeah, works perfect. Now, you could also clip this back, just twist the front. It's what I normally do. And then I just have a barrette. Can do that. But I also notice on this one, now, like I said, this is a basic cap, but you can pull this off your face. And I'm going to show it to you up close, and you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. But I would definitely pull this off my face. I just take it and I run my hands through the top, just like that, to kind of smooth it out a little. I usually give it a little twist, and I just have a little claw clasp here. Now, this has, like I said, a 7.75 inch front, so it has some length there. Then just pull down the front just to cover that front edge, and you can definitely wear this off your face. So just because it doesn't have a lace front doesn't mean that you can't pin it back and pull it off your face. That is a great feature. Here's a look at Jon Renau Macy in Laguna Blonde. Basic cap. It does have permatease like we spoke about. Closed ear tabs. The fibers are worked into the ear tabs. Open wefted. It has an extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and like I said, this fit me well. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I did not do any adjustments here. There is a lot of stretch in this wig as well. Here's another look at Laguna Blonde FS24 102 S12. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that look at Jon Renau Macy. I love the layers in this wig. I just want to show you these. Just make sure you get a good look at that. It has a lot of layers here. I think that the permatease, in my opinion, really gives it this nice shape. I think this is a very wearable style for so many people at a good price point. So if you're looking for a bob at a nice price point with lots of different colors to choose from, be sure to check this out. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.